What's good with you guys, man? It's your boy Jeremy back with another video. Man, if you new to the channel for the first time, hit that red long button that say subscribe. Also hit that thumbs up button to like this video, and also browse on my other videos, man, and like those as well. I most definitely will appreciate it. And for my appreciation to you guys for taking the time out watching this video, I'm gonna give one of my lucky subscribers $100 once we hit 500 subs, man. Yes, I'm giving away $100 for my appreciation to you guys for taking the time out for watching these videos, and really you know, take what you guys doing, take the channel a long way. And I you know, really appreciate y'all for you know, rocking with your boy, supporting and everything like that, man, for real. But hey, one thing, man, your boy turned 30 today. So that should be another reason for you guys to like all my other videos and like this video as well. And also hit that subscribe button, because all you want to see on this channel is nothing but car related and my truck build, man. What I got planned today, right now, I'm taking my truck to the shop to get something done to it. I think it's going to be real unique and nice, especially at night. It's just going to make it 10 times better. It'll make it stand out. So stay tuned for that, man, for real. And I appreciate you guys for all the happy birthday wishes. I might drop this video today, or I might drop it later on this week. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we get to the shop, man. Peace. What type of lights would it be?
So these are rock lights.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to see with the red.
Right.
It's multicolor.
Okay.
It's off an app.
Off and out. So the underglow would be for which one?
The same thing. So all these are going to be rock lights. So the underglow and the grill is all going to be under rock lights.
Okay.
It's just the rock lights, they spread out.
Okay. So it's not this right here?
No.
Okay.
No. On your truck, it's so high up that, and especially when you told me you're going to lift it, if you do an underglow, it's just going to accent like where you step at, and it's not going to reach to the ground.
Gotcha.
It's more meant for lower cars, so it you know, and the rock lights are meant to spread out more.
Okay, so you get more of a okay, cool.
Like where you'd like a switch, or
I already got one right here for the bar light.
okay,
that's in front.
because I know for a fact there's openings right down here. You want it to be in a flat surface,
right,
because it's going to be just a circular one. It's a flush mount.
Okay.
So I mean, we can either do here, or you know, somewhere down there.
Right here would be fine.
And I'll make it a black one, so we have them in white, red, and green. Tell me what color you want. So when it turns on, there's a halo that tells you that the lights are on.
Black.
So you just tell me which color you want.
Yeah. Oh, for
the halo ring on.
Oh,
on the
okay,
switch.
okay. Red would be fine.
Red?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's a nice wrap, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Try to keep everything blacked out.
Yeah. I get it. It looks cool. It looks good.
Appreciate it.
Let's do it. Let's go. But yeah. All the underbody, interior.
That's dope. And you could change it to how many colors?
You can change it as many as you want, man. So it'll do the color changing.
Okay.
Right now, I'll do the rainbow jumping. So it'll change the multicolor.
Oh, that's dope.
So it'll do. This is all the settings that it'll do. It'll strobe.
Okay.
Imitate a cop if you wanted to.
right.
So, yeah.
I like that grip.
Yeah. I don't know if you saw it. I did the right behind the light tube.
Yeah, that's nice. That's dope. I like that gold too.
Yeah. The red really jumps out, and the blue I think looks good too.
Oh yeah, for sure. And that's the white?
Yep. Well, that's the multicolor white.
Oh, okay.